Okay.
Conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. See everyone. So ETL testing is depend upon the data, whatever the data, healthcare, sales or insurance, whatever the data. Those data is mainly extracted, moving into one of the middle layer is transformation. After I will give the layers for each layers. Okay. Transformation. Those finally loading into the target, whatever targets. So simply small Mahidar, how is converting into the capital Mahidar? In the middle of the moving and transformation is the ETL testing. So ETL tool is Informatica Power Center, Data Stays, Azure Data Factory, so many things having. At least we need to learn two ETL tools. And we need SQL language, SQL, structure query language. This is very simple, very easy. Okay. So if you know one of the ETL tool and SQL, ETL testing is very easy. Of course. See, for example, I am giving you one example. See, here I'm talking about completely data, right? ETL testing is completely data. We received the data. Say we received the data in the form of files as well as tables as well. First, we need to understand these things. See, like you know, right? Table is nothing but it containing rows and columns. Yes or no? This is the combination of rows and columns. You know, anyone? Rows is, do you know what is row? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is row? Hello. Anyone tell what is rows and columns?
Sir, basically, row can be explained as a line of things.
Yes, yeah. Basically, rows is nothing but the horizontal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In columns is nothing but vertical.
But
Yes. See, we are talking about the data means data is we received always in files or tables. First, I'm explaining the tables. Table is nothing but some specific structure having. Table is nothing but it will say it is some specific structure. Structure is nothing but rows and columns. See, for example, I will write here only. You understand? For example, um, this is a school. For example, one of the school. This is a school. This is a table name. See, for example, that for anyone student ID, we are maintaining data, right? Like in the table format. Student ID, for example, name, student name, for example, marks. See, what is this? I will provide after like tables, information things and all. Normally, like you understand easily, right? See, for example, this is student ID. For example, name is A. For example, this name is B. For example, this name is C. For example, marks. For example, mark is 70. This is 60 or 50. See, what is this? This format is tabular format. I will show you after. Okay. See, normally what is this? The student is the table name. Like school is the student, like a table name. This is the table name. Student ID 1, 2, 3. This is the vertical row. Name ABC. This is a vertical row. Marks it is a 70, 50, 50. It is a vertical row. So table is the combination of rows and columns. Row is 1A 70, 2B 50. This is the row. Yes, this is a row. In down, this is the column. This is a column. So the vertical is the column, the horizontal is the row. So it is some structure having. This is the structure. The files means files don't have structure. This is semi-structure. Only like some of the limit only, not like rows and columns wise. It will come some under the specific format. Semi-structure. See, I will give you difference. Files is nothing but semi-structure. Structure is nothing but simply format. Tables is nothing but completely this structure format. Complete structure format. This one. Okay. Files is semi-structure format. Means files. Right? Excel. Some of the files is JSON. I will explain in detail. Okay. These are this and all the some of the structure having, not complete structure. The complete structure means rows and columns in this way. The school is the table name, student ID, name, marks. 1, 2, 3. So you need to check here. This is the vertical, the column, the horizontal 1, 8, 70. This is the row. So we receive the data files wise as well as table wise. This one is understand, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah, yeah. Why? Because first you need to understand the files and tables means after very easy. See, I'm explaining the one of the example. See everyone. My source, already I said, source is nothing but our input. My source is 10 records having. Records in the sense rows or whatever. Okay. So my target is 8 records. See, here we are checking. This is the middle layer. See how the source records are moving into the staging layer, the transformation, how is moving into loading into the target is 8 records. How? See here, based on the client requirement or based on the business logic, based on that, 10 records is converting into the 8 records. Means we don't know. Some of 2 records are missed. Means what? 2 records miss means something duplicates having. We don't know exactly, right? Something unwanted spaces having. We don't know exactly what reason. Based on the like business logic, business rule or business logic. So we don't know exactly how 10 records is converting into 8 records. So those things only we are tested depend upon the ETL tool. So we received always data from source side. 10 records, 100 records, 1000 records in the table format or file format as well. So those records are initially by moving the initially extracting by using the ETL tool. For example, Informatica, Informatica, PC, nothing but Power Center. Yeah, I will give you this way. You need to understand easily. Informatica PC is nothing but Informatica Power Center. So finally, this is loading L. See, E is extracting and T is transforming. L is loading. How 10 records is extracted and transforming and loading into the 8 records. We are tested by using ETL tool, Informatica PC, as well as SQL. I already said na SQL, structure query language. Based on these two things, we are tested. Means those are the duplicated or not, those are the unwanted things or not, based on the business logic supplier or not. We need to check. Finally, we will get, yeah, exactly 8 records or not. Got it for everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Audible for everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, very simple. ETL testing is the very simple. Here only you need to understand very easy. See, what are the we are received? For example, I am receiving the 10 records. For example, I am receiving the 100 records. So my target, I received 80 records. Means what? 20 records are miss. We don't know. 20 records are exactly miss or duplicates or like business logic supplied or we don't know. So our clients like stakeholders, I will give you like words because in the IT scenario, in the ETL testing way, I will give the words. First of all, I will give you this word only. Client. Client is our end user. Our end user. They are expecting. They are expecting targets only. Target. Yeah. I need this. I need this. So what we are doing by using ETL tool, by using ETL tool, extracting all records, and one of middle of the layer is transforming applied. Transforming is nothing but I'm applying the SQL or ETL both. By using SQL language, I'm filtering or cleaning or merging whatever our logic. Finally loading into the target. This is simply ETL testing. See,
So
in
they'll
the
be
example
using
only, yeah, yes, please,
sorry,
yes,
sir.
please.
They'll
Yeah.
be using only structure query language or also no SQL also?
Only SQL. SQL is needed. At least SQL is needed. See, yeah, ETL tool is only extracting and moving and transforming here one of the stays here in the middle of the layer by using SQL language. Very important. See, without coding, if you know like SQL, very easy. See, there is a like the coding part is there, like Python or Java, also very easy. But without any coding, the ETL testing is only one of the ETL tool, one of the SQL, DB. Automatically ETL testing is very easy. So SQL also very easy. I will give you clearly in the conceptual way and example way with everything. Very easy. At least you need to know Informatica. See, for example, I will explain the Informatica tool. Same tool only depend upon the remaining tools as well. I will explain Informatica Power Center, data stays, and I will explain the Azure data. Nowadays is famous Azure Data Factory in the cloud area. I will explain Azure as well. So at least you need to learn one of the ETL tool and one of the SQL language. There's so many DBs is there. I will explain DBs. What is DBs? You don't know anyone. DBs is database. Data. I already said now. Like what is data is received in the tables or files now. So if you receive a data in the table format, those tables are stored in the database. That is a database. Database also is nothing but collection of information stored into the system. So those tables are stored in the this database. So many DBs is there. For example, Oracle. We need to learn Oracle. Toad. The same similar for every DB. Toad. I will explain SSMS. So many DBs is there. At least we need to learn one of the DB with SQL language. Okay. One of the ETL tool. ETL testing is very easy. Up to here, any doubt, please? Anyone?
Sir, then what will be covered in this course?
Yes, please.
Only
Yes, yes.
like adding ETL tool, only
Yes,
like
yes.
which tool you will be teaching and coming to the languages which you are suggesting, what you will be covering.
Yeah. Yes, yes. In this course, yeah, I will explain that one. Yeah. In this course, I will give you those things also. See, in this course, first I will cover all ETL concepts. In high level, I will provide it. Okay. In this course, I will provide all ETL concepts. All ETL concepts means everything for ETL in the conceptual way, and I will providing in the example way. Okay, everything I will provide as well. I will provide the one of the concept data warehouse. See, I already said data warehouse is nothing but simply this is a target, our like storaging area, final area. Data warehouse. Data is where stored. That is the data warehouse. That is one of the big bucket. Okay, we need to learn those concepts as well. Target. That is the target. Okay, these concepts. After we need to learn like in the ETL testing way, like a process is there. If, like one is agile process is there. Okay, I will cover agile and waterfall. There is a process there. Based on the process we are testing. Okay, I will cover agile and waterfall. I will providing one of the tool is Jira, very important. That tool is completely wherever the testing, like for example, we are finding any issues, bugs. Those are created or resolved everything in the Jira tool. This is Jira is a tool. This is a tool. This is a simply bug tool or cracking tool. Okay, test management tool. So many names have. Okay, this is a bug tool or ticketing tool. We are creating the tickets. Okay, this is a Jira tool. We need to learn very important tool as well. And we need to learn SQL. In the SQL way, we need to learn any one of the DB. I will explain Oracle, Toad, at least two to three DBs I will explain. The same way only. At least you need to learn Oracle, automatically Toad, same, both same only. Toad, SSMS. It's simply database only, very easy. You need to learn SQL language completely, automatically, Oracle or Toad or SMS, any DB is very easy. So, along with, I will cover Azure concepts completely. So nowadays data is moving cloud as well. Why? Because data is moving. Yeah, I will explain that concept later. But overview I will give. So Azure here I am providing with Azure concepts. One of the ETL tool is ADF. I already said na Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory. Azure Data Factory is the ETL cloud tool. Okay, I am providing ADF, and one of the tool is Databricks. Databricks. I will explain those things also here. Okay, along with I'm explaining only in the ETL testing point of view what under the cover. Okay, ETL concepts I will explain, data warehouse concepts I will explain, Agile concepts explain, Jira concepts explain, and ETL tool mainly Informatica. Sorry, forget here everything. ETL tool is what? Informatica, one of the tool, right? I will explain in detail in the Informatica, the theoretical and the practical.
Okay.
Very important. I will explain in detail in the Informatica tool, and the process, agile process is there, very, very important. I will explain in detail. Jira is the ticketing tool. If you are like, if you tested anything, if it is a fail, where we are like assigning, like what are some scenarios having, I will explain in the, I will cover in the Jira point of view. Jira is one of the tool. Mainly we are working with the Jira tool only. Mainly we are working with the Jira tool only. So Jira tool is simply tracking the status for everything in the testing. Like whatever were tested, whatever were received issues, whatever the bugs were, whatever the issues, those things assigning to them, developers. So those are all in the Jira. So SQL is very, very important language, easy to learn. So I will provide anything to it. In Azure, cloud point of view, I will explaining in the Azure point of view, everything in the concepts. Basically, you know, right? Like I will explain before this. I will explain one point. See, in the IT scenario, I will explain like actually I will before only. Okay, no problem. Yeah, the IT scenario, any project or any like if you develop anything in the IT scenario, some process is there. Basically, what is that? Company, for example, any one company receiving in the one of the product from the client. For understanding purpose, I'm explaining. Okay, so client is providing in the one of the product. Like for example, some access client is providing into the I will give you this way. It is very easy. Yeah, client there. Okay, this term is the company. This scenario is very important. Okay, see, client is our end users. Okay, client is our end users. They are providing in the requirements. Requirements is nothing but the futures or they are expecting. I will providing the each terms. In the IT scenario, where so many words having, I will explain everything. So clients is expecting some requirement. Requirement is a very important word. For our understanding purpose, futures are expecting those things. Okay. So for example, if you one of the any one product, for example, we need to take laptop only, just for understanding purpose only. Okay. Say if you prepare a laptop, client is expecting so many things. You know, right? For example, laptop or phone you need to take. They are expecting this much size, this much storage, this much battery power, like whatever. So many things, right? Normally, if you buy a phone, I need to ask with you. I mean, I need to ask with you. Like for everyone, I will ask with you. If you buy a phone, what and all you are checked? Tell me, anyone. Hello, hello.
All the features, sir.
Yes, yes. If you buy a phone, before that you need to check the features. Yeah, I am expecting like, for example, 6,000 battery power I needed. I am expecting my front camera so much and back camera so much. Exactly, yes or no? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So those and all the requirements. Those and all the requirements. Why I am telling here is the example is these and all the requirements, features, the same way in the IT scenario, if you like prepare any product or like preparing anything, developing any product, client is expecting the requirements, like they are providing the some requirements. So those requirements, they will providing the document wise. They are providing the document wise. They will provide requirements. See, if you buy a phone, your requirement is so many. I need battery power is there, front camera so much, I need back camera some, like yes or no. I need camera visibility, I need a backup, yes or no. So many things having. In the same way, in the product is well moving the market, client's requirement is so many things having. Okay, now I will give you, this is the client is providing the that complete information, requirement information to the company. Got it? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Now in the company, what will do organization? The company is maintaining the one team, like manager. I will give you like a very like easy way to understand what you are doing here. Okay. So company is maintaining the manager way, like the team, one of the team. So manager is maintaining depend upon team. The team is nothing but developers, testers. Got it? See, every project, some product, they are expecting some data, or they are expecting some anything. I am explaining simply one product. Client is expecting some one of the product, for example, laptop only or phone only. So they are providing some requirements, the document wise. See, these are the requirement, one of the requirement. Front, I need some front camera, I need some back camera this much, I need like whatever normal way, the scenarios. In the same way, client is expecting, they are providing some requirement. Yeah, based on this requirement, I need a product, trusted product. I need finally some of the one product. Okay, they are providing simply. I'm providing simply laptop only. Just understand purpose only. Okay, Client is providing into the those requirements to the company. Client is providing to the client is providing to those requirements into the company. Company is maintaining under the manager. Manager is maintaining under team, developers and testers. Finally, move into the live, the market. This is the process for everything, every project, every product, everything is the this process only. Got it for everyone?
Yes.
So here, testing is very, very important, very, very crucial. Why? Because see here, the team is maintaining developers. Developers is always is coding. Like, yeah, I will give you those scenarios as well. See, okay. See, developer is always designing, like coding, planning. Okay, completely. They are implementing the coding. Okay, planning initially planning, after first designing, after planning, after coding. The dev itself, they are doing some testing as well. That is simply unit testing. I will explain later. Okay. After is moving into the our phase, tester phase. Tester what will do? Whatever developer is implementing, those things correctly working or not. Tester is always to find something bugs. To find bugs. Bug is nothing but in the like here. Bug is simply our error. Okay, mistakes. Okay, in the IT word is bug. Okay, bug or defect. Okay, so tester is always to find the bug issues, because finally I need 100% accurate data. Client is expecting 100% accurate product, exact product quality. They are expecting the pure quality. So under this product, under this process, developers is like not maintained properly for everything. They are designing, they are implementing, they are doing coding, they are doing testing itself, but we don't know exactly this is working fine or not exactly. The testing phase is also very important. Again, tester is doing testing. Yeah, yeah. Finally, see, for example, they are implementing them. For example, this phone is a product. Okay, the client is providing the this requirement, phone requirements to the company, one of the company, for example, Cognizant, any one company. Okay, for understanding purpose. So the manager is maintaining the team, developers and testers. So developer is coding, preparing, designing how like this much like requirements, how I will prepare like that. If they are preparing everything, tested themselves. Yeah, he's working like that developer side. But we don't know exactly developer are doing right or not. So tester is needed. Tester again testing for that phone. Yeah, this 6,000 power is there or not. Like front camera, back camera, whatever, everything in the requirements. For example, in the 100 requirements, yeah, I will test for 100 requirements again. Yeah, before moving into the live. Finally, yeah, is this all requirements is passed. Yeah, all this product is passed. Quality is good. Now moving to the live market. We are moving into the deploy. In the IT word is deploy. Got
Sir,
it?
one question.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Sir, for this ETL testing also automation is there?
See, without automation, ETL testing having. Nowadays, automation testing also there in the ETL. Depend upon the project. Basically, I think I already said ETL is a combination of manual and automation. Manually means by using the SQL query. See, our SQL query only coding. Okay, without using Java or Python programming language. Simply by using SQL language, we are preparing the some queries. Here in the scenario is the query. Okay, I will explain there. Okay, without automation, simply we are tested everything in the ETL. Some of the projects automation also having. Okay, manual and automation also having.
For automation, which tools is used?
Yes.
Automation, Selenium, um, so many
PyTest.
tools is there. PyTest is a that is a framework. Yeah, I will give you
Hmm.
that one single line. Okay, in automation
And
point of view, yeah, yes, please,
like
yes, please,
Python, PySpark in the cloud services,
yeah,
we are
those,
using
yeah.
ETL.
In, yes. Basically, in automation point
For
of view, if you know any language, Java or Python, based on that, we need to frame like a PyTest. Some of the framework is there. Unit test or like PyTest. Unit test also is there. Unit test, PyTest. Depend upon like one of the tools. Selenium is there. This is completely separate course. Okay. Based on that, we have tested everything, scripted, whatever. Hmm?
No, sir. Actually, I
Without
was asking
automation,
for ETL
yes, please.
particularly, is there any automation tool? ETL.
No. Automation completely different. Okay. In the ETL point of view, only ETL tool and SQL language. See, I will explain that one also. There is no ETL automation tool separately. Okay. Whenever the automation needed, that time this separate tools is there. Selenium tool depend upon the programming language. That one all I'm telling. See, our ETL SQL is our language. I will give you difference. Okay. Hmm? Okay. Our ETL SQL is our for your purpose. This is code. Okay. This is our code. So this one only automated. See, by using a SQL only, we have tested everything in the ETL, the manual way. In the same automation thing, in the same automation thing, at least you know in Java or Python, by using Selenium tool, some WebDriver, based on that, we are tested. ETL testing is the both manual and automation is possible without coding. We don't know like I don't know Java or Python coding. ETL is possible? Yes, 100% is possible by using SQL language. You know ETL tool, you know SQL language, we will give 100% accurate data in the end users. Got it for everyone?
Sir,
Yeah.
basically you will be covering ETL manual testing in this course, right?
Yes. Manual concepts also having the automation also I will provide. Automation things at least I will provide the tool. Okay. Framework tool also I will provide in the end.
Like
See,
overviews
yes,
you will be
yeah.
giving or you will be covering the whole scenario?
Yeah, I will covering the whole scenario. I will providing the videos as well.
Okay.
So this is completely ETL testing only. This
Mm-hmm.
ETL testing completely depend upon the data. Data is tested manual way and automated way. Manual way means nothing but without using SQL also possible. But SQL also our perspective coding, that one. Very
Mm-hmm.
simple language, structure query language. By using this is a programming language. SQL also one type of programming language. By using SQL language, we are tested, we are automated. Yes, based on the SQL language, we form some queries. Those are moving to automation as well. Yes, it is possible.
Okay.
Got it for everyone?
And yes, and along with SQL, you have mentioned like Oracle and other database
Yeah.
languages
These
that
are the
we need to
databases.
yeah, that we need to prepare or you will be covering.
I will cover. I will cover. See,
Okay.
yeah. I will explain SQL complete concepts. Automatically, whenever like started SQL in the it's like in the middle of the section, automatically, yeah, I'm parallel explaining in the one of the DB. There we are forming SQL language queries.
Okay.
Got it
Okay.
now?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So whenever we started SQL, they SQL is a completely, right? I already said tables. So is some format is there. rows and columns. Yeah. So here maintaining the DB database. Yeah. I will explain in one DB first, Oracle DB. I will show to everyone. So there, how SQL all concept is working here. How to form queries, how to prepare queries, how to form different of queries. Everything I will explain in the SQL concept wise. And we need to learn Jira, very big tool, very important tool. Every almost every project is depend upon the this tool only. Jira,
Sir,
bug
sir,
tool,
one question.
ticketing tool. Yeah.
Sir, what is the basic challenges that comes to while doing the ETL testing? Some like common
Yes.
challenge for a
Yes. Yes.
new one.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. See, I will give you. I already said no. Like where is this? Yeah. See, I will give you an example of it. Yeah. See, you are asking with the challenges. See, for example, my source is 100 records, target is 80 records. I am testing source counts, target counts. Is there any duplicates having or not? We are testing with everything. Is there any unwanted things having or not? We need to check with business logic. Everything we have tested. Okay. So in the middle of the layer, so sometimes, so Informatica, I said, na, Informatica piece is the ETL tool. Sometimes these depend upon the job. I will give you scenario. See, you're asking the challenges, right? So basically, the challenges is nothing but based on the SQL. For example, data is more, SQL query is taken more, time is taken more. For example, data is more, testing time is more, testing time also more. The same way, SQL query also taken more time. That is one of the challenge. For example, they are not providing the jobs properly. Jobs is nothing but are running that logic, whatever we are implementing in the SQL, the transformation layer, whatever we are implementing those things. So developer is developed all code or everything. Tester is just run the jobs. Job is nothing but simply that whatever developer is implementing that the logic. Job is nothing but rule or logic. Sometimes we don't have access. QA not access for the jobs. That time is challenge. Why? Because at that time again we need to check with dev team, and again we need to check with high persons. They are providing the FRS documents is there. Again we are tested. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
yeah. The challenges is very less only actually. Why? Because is the data is more, testing effort is taken more, and SQL query also taken more. This is the simple challenge. But sometimes they are providing requirements, they are providing not properly. See, requirement I said already, the clients expecting requirements initially they are providing. For example, they are not providing clearly in the requirements. How we were tested? That one also we have challenges. Got it now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you have a proper requirements, automatically we are tested easily. If you don't know proper requirements, how we are tested? That
Correct.
is the one
Correct.
point, main point. Yes. See,
Sir,
I already
which
said, for example, yeah,
yeah.
yes,
So
please.
which
Yeah.
SQL tool you are going to teach for writing the SQL
I
queries?
will explain, I will explain Oracle tool. If I explain like Oracle tool, automatically same tool also same, SSM also same. There is no change in databases.
Okay, sir.
Just we are running the queries only.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, please? Anyone?
Yes, I have.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yeah. Could you please share the course content?
Sure, sure.
And
I will share everything.
yeah,
I will share
and
complete course content.
yeah, and one more thing.
Yeah.
In this ETL testing, what basically you are going to cover during this Azure and Databricks? And anyhow, you are going to cover any something the automation things related with Python related things in this ETL course.
Uh, Actually, in the ETL testing course, I will cover these things only. In the end
Mm-hmm.
of the course, like one of the section, I will cover Python basics, like Selenium how will work, PyTest how will work. I
Mm-hmm.
will cover those things.
So
Mostly, I will
ETL
explaining. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
ETL pipeline also you are going to cover.
yeah. The ETL concepts itself, so many things having ETL pipelines must having.
Okay. So what basically you are going to cover this Azure Data Factory and Databricks.
Azure Data Factory.
Mm-hmm.
It is a ETL cloud tool, integration tool. So I
Mm-hmm.
will explaining same whatever the Informatica tool, the same way Azure Data Factory is how is connected, like how data is moving and transforming, completely ETL tool, how is working ADF, like how
Mm-hmm.
jobs are running here ADF, how here
Mm-hmm.
the word is pipelines, how is moving, how it
Mm-hmm.
tested, everything. The Databricks
Mm-hmm.
also simple, very easy. Here how tested. Here also you can use
Uh,
SQL for this.
why? Because I'm asking this question.
Hmm.
Actually, right now I'm working as a manual tester. Okay, but
Okay, okay,
previously I also taken the training on ETL testing. Okay, and after that I
okay.
got one project on the ETL testing, and I worked around 1 year on the ETL testing. One of the ETL, not basically ETL testing project, that was data migration
Okay,
project. Okay, so I worked
okay,
around
okay,
one year. Okay, so that's why I'm
okay,
asking this question. If I means continue this course, okay, so
okay,
it will be helpful for me because I don't know this Azure and Databricks, but right now in the market the people are asking for the ETL tester. But earlier when I did the course, that time I covered this Informatica tool only. Okay, but I
okay,
unfortunately I
okay,
didn't get the chance. Okay, so that's why
okay,
this
okay,
question I'm asking. It is very
okay.
helpful if you in front of us, if you share the course content to us, so that it will helpful
Mm-hmm.
for us. And after
Sure,
completing
sure,
this
Naren.
course,
Yeah.
after
Mm-hmm.
completing this course, suppose if I want to put 3 or 4 years of experience on ETL testing, okay, so is
Mm-hmm.
it
Mm-hmm.
helpful for us or not?
Yes, 100%, 100%. See, whatever I am providing the complete information, okay, whatever I am providing the complete ETL testing course information, you are a fresher or you experiencer or you everyone, okay, everything, okay, is very useful for everything. As a fresher, this content is very useful. As experience, this content is very important, very useful as well in the practical way. Okay.
Sir, how much package can be expected from this, like after conducting the course?
Actually, right now I'm explaining the course only. Like right now, I'm actually my like admin team is there. Like they will providing everything. In the course wise, I'm explaining. If you have a fresher, they will providing 3 to 4 LPA. If you have experience 2+ years experience, 4+ experience, yeah, in the ETL testing always a demand 10 LPA, 12 LPA. See what I will cover now. I will providing after end of the section. I will providing the each concept under interview questions. I will provide the scenario based questions. I will providing at least 20 to 30 companies, like companies how I will asking the interview questions. Those things I will providing. I will providing in the 2 to 3 projects, live projects, ETL things. I will cover those things for my end.
Mm.
So, yes,
Got
sir,
it for everyone?
that will be helpful,
So
sir.
Yes.
basically, so writing the SQL query, which database basically we are going to use, means SQL
Oracle.
Server or
Oracle.
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 Okay,
Yes.
Oracle database we are going to
Okay.
use.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Any doubt, please, anyone? I will. I think already time is done.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, please. Who is this?
Vishal.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Actually, I'm working in Azure Databricks, like
Okay.
writing the test cases using the PyTest. But my question is that
Okay.
for the
Mhm.
big data, like ETL testing,
Okay.
having using right with Python
Yes.
pandas
Yes.
and PySpark.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we
Yes.
are
Yes.
means using in this course or not?
No. This course I am covering completely ETL testing only. pandas, Python, those things are like different per se. Completely, I'm
Okay,
covering in the ETL things, data warehouse things,
but
Databricks.
uh,
In the Azure point of view, I'm explaining the Azure things, Databricks things, ADF, Azure Data Factory things. Okay.
mm,
If you need, I will provide one of the section for Python, PyTest, those things also.
PyTest I
But
am
this is
working, but
completely ETL testing. Yeah. Okay,
my
okay.
question is that like ETL testing with automation with Python PySpark, right? That's my question.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm,
So I'm explaining completely SQL based on the SQL how ETL testing is perform the everything. I will explain main scenario for that one. Under I will cover all so many points like by Azure or whatever. Everything I will providing like live projects I will providing at least 2 to 3 projects. My projects, real projects I will explain, and I will cover some scenario questions I will explain for real scenarios having. So I will cover under like everything in the each detail.
Sir,
Sir, how
this
much time it
database.
will take, sir? How much course duration? Or
Course duration, I'm explaining only weekend, Saturday, Sundays. I think they are providing like 2 months, 32 hours having.
okay, okay.
Weekend,
Like,
how many hours?
yeah, 2 hours a day. 2 hours day means for a week, 4 hours, Saturday and Sunday. So 32 hours at least will take. Why? Because I'm explaining in detail everything in the document wise. So it will take
And
some
what
more
will be
time.
the timing? Same timing?
It's same only 7:30 to 9:30. Same only this
Okay.
time.
And
Only
also,
Saturdays and Sundays.
and this database
Yes,
tables
please.
which you have mentioned, these are the tools, or we need to learn the language as well?
Sorry. What is this?
Database tables you have mentioned, right? Oracle,
Yes,
Toad,
yes,
and
yes, 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 yes.
these are like we need to learn the languages, or these are like automated, like
That is a
import.
database. That is a database. Um, that is a database. I will explain. I am explaining SQL language. You need to learn SQL language. Automatically, you got some idea of DB. Automatically, what in the parallel, what is the DB. You don't know, like you don't need to like learn separately in the DB. In the SQL itself, you will get like, yeah, this is the DB. Yeah, this is working the query span. Yeah, automatically, parallel, we got some information.
Okay. Sir, one more thing, one suggestion. Like I'm working into an automotive domain, so how
Mm-hmm.
beneficial will be like if I am switching from automotive to this ETL?
Sorry, which domain?
I'm into automotive domain, infotainment, and
Okay,
all those I need. I will be testing.
okay.
These that is
Uh,
completely different from this database testing.
Yeah, the ETL under also same database testing, everything.
No, no, no.
Completely depend
My
upon that. Sorry.
currently which I am working profile is a automotive
Mm-hmm.
domain. Okay, which is completely different
Okay.
from database. So
No
will it be
problem, no
benefit?
problem.
Okay, okay,
It is very
okay,
useful. It is very useful.
okay.
Okay. And yeah, any doubts for technically the course wise, ping me. Like I will explain everything to you everyone. For if you have any like in the like course fees or everything, those things and all, like you need to check with my team, admin team. I will provide on
And I have one question.
number the here. Okay, the group itself. Okay, please enroll and yes,
Hello.
please. Who is this?
Yeah,
Sorry.
the
Hello. Yes,
database you
please,
show
please.
Oracle database. This database will be have
Mm-hmm.
to install in local, or you show me show us that this in Azure
Like
database.
yeah, in our laptop only I will show you local and live also having Oracle Live SQL. I will show you in the Chrome itself live. The practicing the
Actually,
SQL queries there itself. Okay.
actually, in real time, the local database is not working. Actually, we have to
Say not
install
all.
in cloud.
Yes. Basically, the real time the companies they are providing the some specific license. So okay, based on the security reasons, they are not providing access for the local side. So basically, having
Even
every DB, I will
also.
explaining. I will show you.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
In the tool also we cannot like download
Yeah,
Informatica tool.
in our yeah, download, no problem. I will
Okay.
providing in the detailed videos as well how is working those things, and I will show to you like Informatica tool as how is working, or Oracle tool, Oracle or any DBs how is working. I will show you in the video wise and practical wise, and theoretical wise and conceptual
Okay.
wise. No problem, those things and all. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah. Same, I think tomorrow also same 7:30 time. Actually, today is some issue, first section, right? So network issue or some technical issue. Tomorrow I will join 7:30 before only, 5 minutes before only, exactly 7:30 to 8:30.
So tomorrow will be also
Okay,
demo or the like.
no, not demo. Actually, yeah, that one only I'm telling. Like, you need to check with my admin team. So I will providing the name, that number in the group itself having. So like, if you have like interested to intro, like joining, so please check with them and fees or everything. Okay.
Sir,
After
the
I will
voice
start.
is, sir, one issue is that in this, I think the voice of yours is also not coming in
Sure,
the
sure,
map.
sure. I will check with my side and okay, I will start out this issue. Okay. Yeah,
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
yeah. Okay, yeah. Thank you for everyone. Hmm? Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.